Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to build a background color changer using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Here there will be one button where you will be able to click and change the background color, and the color will be random on every click. So here we go. First let us create a folder name. It should be random background color changer. Now let us open this on our Visual Studio Code. Now let us create our files. index.html, style.css, and for JavaScript we have app.js. First of all, let us work with our HTML and let us give it a title random background color changer. So here we will be having only two elements, that is one button. Here the text will be click me, and I'll give it a ID of button, and after that we'll be having one h2 tag. Here there will be the colors. For now I will give it here A2 BE2. So it just for now it is static. Later on we will change it using our JavaScript. So here also I will give ID hex code. So now that's all HTML required here. Now we will work on our CSS. Now first of all, let us connect our files, CSS file and JavaScript file. Here I'll add script. Source will be app.js, and here we'll have one link tag for CSS ty style sheet, and href will be style.css. So that's it. Our HTML is complete. Now let us work on our CSS. So here first of all, let us take our body tag. Here we put background RGB. First of all, we have background color of, by default we'll give here 22 and 225. So now let us check if our CSS is connected or not. Yeah, it's working. So now let's move on. Let's add more CSS here, and I will give it a minimum height of 90 view width, view height, and I'll make it a flex, and flex direction will be column, and justify content will be center, align item center, and I'll give it a transition of 0.3 second, and it will be cubic bezier, and here 0.215 0.61 0.355 1. And after this, now we will design our H2. We'll add CSS here. Here color will be, I'll give it a white, and also I'll give it font width 200. Now we'll add CSS to button. Here I will give padding 15 pixel. Background will be transparent, and border will be 2px solid white. Now after this, the text color will also be white, and here also we'll add the same transition as it is here. Just we'll change the parameters, but here it will be 175, and here it will be 885, and here it will be 32, and here I'll give 1.275. Now after this, we'll add hover effect to the button. Hover. Here, when you hover, the background color will change to white, and text color will change to black, and cursor will be pointer. And also we'll add effect on action, button on action, active, sorry. Here padding will be, when it is active, the padding will be 5 pixels. So that's all CSS it requires. And now we will be working on our JavaScript part. So let's reload and check. Yeah, here our button, how it look like, and this is the color text. It is not changing now, but once our JavaScript part is completed, it will start working. So first of all, let us create variable constant. Here, let us select our button, document, we get element by ID. Here we'll select this button, this ID here. Get now put this here. And next, here we have our X color element, document dot. Here also we have given ID, get element by ID, and here the ID was hex code. So let's select it and paste it here. So here there will be S. Okay. Now we will be using these two variables. And now let us create the function. Function name random color, or you can write create random color. Whatever you want, you can give it a name. Now here we will create one variable letters. Here we'll store all the characters from 0 to 9, and for A, B, C, D, E, F till F will be given here. So there are total 16 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 16. So we'll be creating random number here. Let color will be equal to hash. There, because of the hash color contains hash in front of all the character, so we have to make it static here. Now we run for loop over the letters. For here I. Here we'll be having our, when I is equal to less than 6. As a hash color has length of 6, maximum length. Yeah, we can give it large also, but we'll be keeping it 6. It will be of 6 character. So when the I is less than 6, or when I is greater than 6, it will stop running. So now let's add here color. Will assign here letters. We'll be creating random number between 1 to 16 here, and for that we'll use math dot floor. Here again math dot random. Here we'll multiply it by 16. So there will be 16 random numbers, and it will create 6 characters, and it will assign here 6 characters. Means this plus and equal to sign represent that it will not remove the existing character inside the color, but it will add one more in the color. So it will run till it reaches 6, and it will stop, and then we'll return this color. Then we'll return color. Yeah. Now we'll add one event listener here, btn add event listener, and it will be click, and we'll run a function here. It is an anonymous function, and inside this function we'll add style to the body. Style will be of background color. And we'll add this color here. We'll assign this color here. So we'll run this function here, and which will return the color. And after this, we'll assign this color here also. We have to show this color here. So first of all, let us check if it is working or not. Now, yeah, our background changer is working. Now let us assign this color name here as well. So here is our that hex element, hex dot, we change the inner HTML to that random color. So here it is. So it was a basic project. This is working as fine as we wanted. So that's all I had for you today. I hope you like it, and if you did, please hit thumbs up. And if you got more videos like this, please consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.